everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making some bird boxes because you've got to keep wildlife going because their habitats are being destroyed. So here we have a couple of boxes that I haven't made holes in yet. They're for whatever the customer wants. So you have the average blue tit, grey tit in that one. This letterbox one here is for the robin. So if I take it out on the side, you will see the side view. So that's the robin. That's another one for the robin. And this one here is my new, which is the house sparrow box. So as you can see, there's 4 holes in there. You'll bolt that underneath the eaves, take the front cover off, and there you have 4 little connections. House sparrows like to breed next to one another with a little bit of privacy, so that's what's known as a 4-bedroom house, and the cover will go onto it after. And I'm going to put these up and let everyone see how if we get any visitors. Thanks for watching.